Here we're on the north shore, the beach area. Actually, not beach area, but rocky. It's all rocky. This is another one of Kelly's hidden gems or secrets. Not too many people go here because when you drive to the state park, it says off limits or private property. But what they don't realize is that's just a small little section, and it stops people from driving over. Once you go past that, this is where you end up, which is completely gorgeous. And I'm going to try to attempt to shift down here. And you can see the water coming in. It's really a nice, calm day. You can see fishermen out there. And look how clear the water is. You can probably see, I don't know, that's probably 3 or 4 feet deep. Right over there in the distance is the north point, or long point. That's the northernmost point of Kelleys. It's all private property and it's gated, so very few people get back there. Might try to do some drone footage, get close and get my drone to maybe fly over there and kind of check that out for you guys. And then this is another area where you can see, I can zoom in here. This is on my cell phone, so I don't see if you can see, but over there is Putin Bay, and Perry's Monument is right there in the middle. That if we follow this path, we'll make it to the old stone crusher. So come along with me. Let's see if we can find it. We've been walking for a little while so far, trying to make sure I don't trip and fall. It looks like there's a roof coming up. I'm not sure exactly what that is. It looks like there's a foundation. And don't walk too far. Because if you do, there's a big drop off. If you look down there, you can follow that wall. Ooh, I really like to walk on the top of that wall. You think I should try it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not for the faint of heart. How far of a drop do you think that is? 80?
At least.
100? Nah, it's not 100. Ooh. A little scary. Not as young as I used to be. Normally I would walk all the way over there. Looks like, let me zoom in. There's some type of, so this was a stone crusher. So the quarry is to the south of here, and if I were to guess, and again I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure that that long, it's, I don't know, it's got to be 80 feet tall maybe, and then it looks like the opening, like it's open on top. So I would assume that they would put the big gravel in the top, and then they would feed it down. And if you go down here and take a look, there had to have been some type of wheel or something on this foundation that crushed up the stone. And then they take the crushed stone, and they used to put it on a conveyor belt and send it out to ships from the quarry. But this place is pretty old. So we came down off the top portion of the stone crusher. This is what it looks like from below, and you can see this is the long area that I was talking about. See if I can get a side view here, and we'll walk through it. So it looks like people have been back here because there's graffiti, of course. Can't have an old structure without putting some paint on it and your initials, because that's important. So you can see, I'm gonna look up, you can see this is where they would feed the bigger rock through, and then there's still a piece of wood that I would assume that they just shift. I'm not sure. Looks like they would shift it, and then that would feed the rocks down through. So I don't know if they were crushing it and then putting the small rock up top, and then maybe they would have trucks drive through here and load the trucks up. That's possible, but it's kind of cool, just the way the stone structure is. And then you'll see this is that foundation, and then I was standing up there. You can see trees have grown up through the middle. And then of course, live your life to the fullest by all means. That's the saying of the day. think I see Bigfoot. No, just another human trekking back to the old stone crusher to check it out.